Well, Americans want Republicans in control of the Congress. That was a poll from Fox News. Now, here's the thing. You voters better wake up out there. It don't matter who you're going to have, if congressmen, senators, it doesn't matter. Until we get the doggone Supreme Court straightened up, for them to follow the Constitution, you're going to have the same problems. They are making their own little world up there. They're living by their own rules. They're not following the Constitution. Everybody's bitching. Well, Congress is doing unconstitutional things. Okay, why are they? Because the Supreme Court is doing the same things. Since 1907, when that stupid judge, a Supreme Court judge, said the Constitution means what the Supreme Court says it means. And that's not how it works. And they've been running roughshod over things. That's why you have gun laws. That's why you are swamped every damn day with the same old shit day after day after day. You got to get to the point you go, you know what? If the Congress isn't going to follow the Constitution, the Supreme Court isn't going to follow the Constitution, I don't need to comply with any god-blanking thing that they say. I'm my own man. I make my own decisions. I don't follow them. This shit that Congress does everything that the Supreme Court says it can. Bullshit. Both branches are screwed up. But the biggest one you've got to look at is the Supreme Court. When these so-called lawyers go to school, for law school, they don't study the Constitution. They study what other judges said about the Constitution. You know, their opinions. Thus making that judge the law and not the Constitution itself. The Constitution says directly that Congress cannot pass any firearm laws. Go read your preamble to the Bill of Rights. They put extra restrictive and declaratory clauses in there so that they couldn't do it. And like I said, look after the Second Amendment, after the word infringe. Is there any subparagraphs A, B, C, or D that would stipulate what an acceptable infringement would be? No, sir, there's not. That means that they are constitutionally barred. But you still got those gun laws. Why? Since 1907, 1934 and 38, you know, they passed all those gun laws and they were unconstitutional then. And they just added to it. You had your 68 gun law, all these other laws, your Violence Against Women Act, all this stuff. All those gun laws that they passed are unconstitutional. But since you have the Supreme Court themselves doing unconstitutional things, but like not following what the Constitution says, you got a problem. So I'm at the point I don't need to follow anybody's lead but my own. Do not comply. Period. It's getting way out of hand, and unless this is fixed now, fixed this year. They don't follow the Constitution, get everybody out of there. I don't care if, you know, I know they got the anti-lynching law, but, you know, sometimes you got to bypass some things when, you know, it doesn't mean shit anyway. Their laws are unconstitutional. Everybody's outside the rule of the Constitution. Like I said, those gun laws, they're not constitutional laws. They're political laws. Congress has no power to pass any kind of firearm act. They know it, you know it, the Supreme Court should know it, but they don't. They're sitting on their damn asses doing nothing and getting paid. No, sir, I will not follow this kind of shit any longer. It's time to not comply with a blanking thing that they do. I'm sorry for my gruff sounding. I'm tired of it. And if you're not tired of it, then, well, you got a problem too. It's got to end. Got to end now, folks. Can't go on. This year's got to be the one that cinches it. If you don't get them straightened up, if those gun laws are not all declared all null and void and taken off the books, then I don't care who you get in office. You're going to have the same blanking problems. Everybody doing what the hell they want. All because of one guy. One guy said, well, the Constitution means what the Supreme Court says it means. No, it does not. The Supreme Court is a fixed meaning, period. You people have twisted it, turned it, cut it, until there's a vague form of what it used to be. Follow the Constitution, or face the consequences, period. Thanks for watching.